Madagdag sa kami pa na kinabuhat ba? Nalagay na sila yung stress daw ka.
Mula pun ba? Wala na. Pila din sila. On your right, eh?
Ay, ginasundan nila sila.
Sukot. Sukot. Kat-kat din dito. Lumitan nyo.
May piso.
Malimos.
Ito, video.
I believe that.
Siyempre, ito ang tao ganito. Kung kaugas mo. Enchanted ba no? Konti mo na. Effective guru diri kay enchanted din. Ang kapalit po. Ay, di na lang. Dala lang. Di mo na lang nag siya.
Bagus dia lagi ba?
Gabo.
Wala kita bagus ba?
Wala sila lang.
Welcome everyone to Enchanted River. Madayaw na pagkanin sa Enchanted River. The daily fish feeding is shown to the public as a cultural segment. The feed, which is only a small portion of the daily food requirement of the fishes, is actually a fresh catch that is part of their natural diet. As part of connecting to our history, we are showing this tradition of fishermen of Hinatuan going back to the blue waters of the river. After a challenging but bountiful fishing at sea, they show their gratitude to Mother Nature by giving an offering to the spirits of the underground spring. The spirits are believed to be dwelling here where the fish abound. This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature. The river was named Enchanted River by Modesto Farlan, who wrote a poem many years ago called Rio Encantado, about a local maiden he fell in love with. It was given a tune with music by Francisco Rio. The poem talks about a crystalline stream flowing from a hidden spring and a canopy of rich green mirrored in water-tinted blue. Many years since, the river has remained true to its color, bluer than blue.
Kaya nagkakaan ba? Ice cream.
That ends our cultural show. We hope you can bring with you the love for our enchanted river, the one and only Rio Encantado. The people of Hinatuan have chosen to protect the river by ensuring that she is untouched and preserved for the future generations to come. We encourage everyone to take care of all our waters and protect the biodiversity of our environment. Hinatuan has many other ecotourism sites to offer. Please visit our fish cages and restaurants, our islands,